To begin with, I have already made a video on driver backup and installation, especially for situations where you plan to reset your computer. So if you want, you can check that video first. But if your goal is different, if you have done a fresh Windows installation or simply want to install drivers on Windows 11, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I will show you how to install drivers on Windows 11 step by step in a simple and practical way so your system works properly with all the correct hardware drivers installed. So let's get started. Before we begin, there's one important thing I want to mention. Never use random driver installation tools or one-click driver updater software. The reason is simple. Many of these tools can install the wrong driver version, outdated drivers, unnecessary software, or modified drivers that may cause system instability, performance issues, or hardware problems. For the safest and most reliable results, always install drivers through Windows Update, your laptop or motherboard manufacturer's website, or the official hardware manufacturer's source. It may take a few extra minutes, but it helps keep your Windows 11 installation clean, stable, and working properly. Anyway, let's start. First, open your device manufacturer's official website. This could be Dell, Acer, HP, Lenovo, or any other laptop or PC brand you are using. The reason we start here is because manufacturers provide official drivers that are tested specifically for your device model, which helps avoid compatibility issues and ensures everything works properly. Once you open the website, go to the support or drivers and download section. From there, we will find the exact drivers for your system. As you can see, I have opened the support section for my laptop's manufacturers. Here, you need to search using your laptop or PC model number so you get the correct drivers made specifically for your device. For this demonstration, I'll be using my Dell Optiplex Micro. The reason I'm using this system is that my other laptops already have most of their drivers updated. Once you enter your model number and open the device support page, you will be able to get access all the available drivers for your system. Now from here, you need to select the correct operating system version. In this case, make sure you choose the version of Windows 11 that is installed your computer. After that, select the driver category depending on what you want to install, such as chipset, audio, graphics, network, and so on. In some cases, you may also see an option to filter by release date, which can help you find the latest available drivers version more easily. Once these options are selected correctly, the website will show the drivers that match your device and operating system. If the options appear, select All Drivers selection and then click Select All Drivers to download everything at once. This can save time because you won't have to manually choose each driver separately. If your manufacturer's website doesn't provide that option, then you will need to download the drivers one by one based on the available categories. Just make sure you download only the drivers that are meant for your exact device model and operating system version before moving to installation. For this part, I'll save all the downloaded drivers files to a separate drive. I recommend doing this as well because keeping the drivers in a separate locations make them easier to find later and help avoid losing them if you reinstall or organize your system. Once all the downloads are finished, we can move on to the installation process. Now that all the driver files have been downloaded, and in this case they are all .exe files, you don't need to open and install each one manually. Instead, we can use command prompt to launch all of them automatically. First, keep all the downloaded driver installer files inside one folder. Now navigate to the folder where the driver files are saved. Then open command prompt as administrator. After that, run this command. And then press enter. This command will go through the folder and launch each .exe installer one by one, waiting for one installation to finish before starting the next. During the process, some installer may still ask for confirmation or show their own installation window. Just follow the on-screen instructions if needed. Once everything is finished, restart your computer so all installed drivers are loaded properly. Now that all the drivers have been downloaded, instead of opening and installing each file one by one, I'll show you a faster method using command prompt. First, place all your downloaded drivers files in one folder. After that, navigate to the folder where your drivers files are saved. Then open command prompt as an administrator. If the drivers are in INF format, which many manufacturers' driver packages extract into, you can use the following command to automatically add and install all drivers inside that folder. Now just type this command carefully. And then press enter. This command tells Windows to search all subfolders, add the available driver files, and install compatible drivers automatically. Wait until the process completes. Windows will install only the drivers that match your hardware. Once it finishes, restart your computer so all changes are applied properly. This method is much faster than manually running every installer one at a time. So that's how you can install drivers properly on Windows 11 after a fresh installation. So I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.